My name is Rosnicano. My recipe is sushi. The ingredients are rice sushi, sugar, rice vinegar, and soy and nori. So for sushi, cream cheese, sesame black seed, a carrot, a cucumber, and avocado. Rice, the preparation. Wash the rice well. You need it clean. You make it of a little of water. Put the high heat 10 minutes, then 20 minute long heat. Mix the sugar with the rice vinegar in a bowl. Mix them with the rice and chop the carrot, cucumber, and avocado into the stick. Preparation sushi. On the masiku, put nori shells, put the sushi rice with the finger, put put a cucumber, put carrot, put avocado, put the cream, put the seasoned seed black, and roll up. Slow roll. Roll up. Roll. Press it and hard. Cut in half. Chop cut and cut. Clear. And finish. Sauce for sushi and finish. Thanks, Lee. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.